Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to view as well as how to download your 1098-T form from your Vanguard portal. First, we're going to go to the top search bar of a new tab. Then we're going to type in mycampus.asub.edu. Once the Vanguard self-service portal pops up, we're going to click Login, then we're going to click Student Portal Homepage. Once the Student Portal homepage is up, this is where you're going to enter in your student username and password, which is going to be your first name dot last name, and then your password. Once you have those two entered in, click Login. Once the homepage of your Vanguard portal appears, focus on the left side where it says My Finances. Once you click on it, click the drop down that says View 1098-T. Two of them should appear. We are going to select the most recent from Beebe, and then click on it. As soon as you click on your most recent year for Beebe, please make sure you have your pop-up blocker disabled so you can get the box which contains your 1098-T. Once you're done looking over your 1098-T, at the top right, click Print. You can send it to a printer, change it to a PDF, or fax it. That was how to access as well as how to download your 1098-T form using the Vanguard Student Portal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.